WhatsApp continues to distance itself from previous requirements around phone numbers. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. Though you definitely need a phone number for initial registration, but after that, users can now sign up for an account directly on an iPad with a username rather than linking it with your digits. Users will need a phone number only in order to receive a one-time passcode for registration, but the iPad account won't be tied to your phone number as a companion device. It was just a few weeks ago when WhatsApp has added usernames as an option for sharing your contact without giving away your number. Usernames are pretty commonplace for social media, but WhatsApp has been notoriously slow-moving when it comes to that. For instance, while rival messengers like Telegram have long been available on almost every platform, WhatsApp only released an official iPad app last year, 15 years after Apple debuted its tablet line. Now the Meta-owned WhatsApp Messenger is also adding a few more quality-of-life improvements, like you can access more of WhatsApp while you're on the go with a revamped experience via Android Auto and Apple CarPlay interfaces. The previously voice-focused experience has now an interface where you can access your call history, favorites, chats, and read unread messages from your car screen. Elsewhere in the refresh, there's now in-app access to viewing and editing PDFs thanks to a tie-in with Adobe Acrobat. Finally, users pining for the days of AIM can now set songs from Apple Music or Spotify as their WhatsApp status as well. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.